Hey everyone, think about your daily routine for a second. Waking up, brushing your teeth, eating, working, scrolling through your phone. Sounds simple, right? Well, what if I told you that you're probably doing a lot of those things completely wrong? Yes, seriously. Stick around because by the end of this video, you might realize you've been living your life on hard mode for no reason. Let's dive in. 1. Brushing your teeth right after eating. Did you know brushing your teeth right after eating is one of the worst things you can do? Especially if you just had something acidic, like coffee, orange juice, or soda. It actually pushes the acid deeper into your enamel, damaging your teeth. Instead, wait 30 minutes, rinse with water, and then brush. Your dentist will thank you. 2. Not drinking enough water. First thing in the morning. You wake up and the first thing you reach for is coffee? Bad move. After hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated, and coffee just makes it worse. Start your day with a big glass of water to wake up your body and your brain. You'll feel the difference. 3. Overloading your to-do list. We all want to be productive, but here's the thing. Most of us create massive to-do lists that are impossible to finish. Then we feel guilty about it. Instead, focus on just 3 priority tasks each day. It's way more effective, and you'll actually get stuff done. 4. Using too much shampoo. How much shampoo do you use? A giant blob? That's too much. Most people only need a nickel-sized amount unless you have super thick or long hair. Using too much can actually dry out your scalp and strip your hair of natural oils. Less is more. 5. Sitting all day without moving. Here's the ugly truth. Sitting is killing us. Studies show that sitting for long periods is as bad for you as smoking. Even if you work out regularly, it doesn't cancel out 8 hours of sitting. Get up every 30 minutes, stretch, or take a quick walk. Your body will thank you later. 6. Storing milk in the fridge door. Okay, this one might blow your mind. Storing milk in the fridge door? Wrong. The door is the warmest part of the fridge because it's constantly exposed to room temperature when you open it. Keep milk on the middle shelf instead. Trust me, it'll stay fresh longer. 7. Holding your phone too close to your face. Are you scrolling through your phone with it 2 inches from your face? That's a recipe for eye strain and headaches. The ideal distance is about 16 to 18 inches. Also, give your eyes a break by following the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. 8. Not preheating your pan. Before cooking, throwing food into a cold pan? Big mistake. This causes uneven cooking and can make your food stick to the pan. Always preheat your pan for a minute or 2 before adding anything. Your meals will taste better and cleanup will be so much easier. 9. Charging your phone overnight. Leaving your phone plugged in all night is convenient, but it's bad for your battery in the long run. Modern smartphones are smart, but constant overcharging can reduce your battery's lifespan. Instead, charge it during the day and unplug once it's full. 10. Breathing through your mouth. This one might sound silly, but a lot of people breathe through their mouths without even realizing it. Mouth breathing can lead to dry mouth, bad breath, and even sleep issues. Focus on breathing through your nose. It's better for filtering air and keeping your lungs happy. So, how many of these things have you been doing wrong? Don't worry, we've all been there. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs to see it. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on tips that could literally change your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.